Hello viewers, today we will discuss rotation matrices for coupling two angular momenta. As from our initial lectures we know that how we can express rotation matrices in terms of angular momenta. But today we will express the addition of two angular momenta in terms of rotation matrices. Let's say two angular momenta which we are adding are J1 and J2, whose rotation matrices are dj1 beta and dj1 beta and dj2 beta. Say the sum of these angular momenta is j, so j is equals to j1 plus j2, and we want to know the rotation matrices of this angular momenta, which is say dj mm dash beta. Okay, uh, we know that how we can express this rotation matrices dj mm dash beta as j m dash and the rotation operator for the along y axis by an angle beta j m. And as per by the CG coefficients, Jm can be written as summation for m1 and m2, j1 j2, m1 m2, jm, j1 j2, m1 m2. Another one which is jm dash for the m1 dash and an m2 dash. As per by the selection rule, m dash must be equal to m1 dash and m2 dash, m1 dash plus m2 dash, j m dash j1 j2 m1 dash m2 dash. As these CG coefficients are real, so we can write them as j m dash is equals to summation m1 dash m2 dash, j1 j2 m1 dash m2 dash, j m dash. This cat operator changes to bra operator, j1 j2 m1 dash m2 dash. Now substituting this and this one into this equation, so our dj mm dash beta leads us to, for both the summation m1 and m1 m2 and m1 dash m2 dash. I just did a simple substitution of these values in this equation 1, say. So we end up with this, and we know that ry beta, rotation about y axis by an angle beta, is exponential minus beta jy by h cut, and we can write jy as the sum of j1y plus j2y for j1 and j2 angular momenta, exponential minus beta j1 by h cut, exponential minus beta j2 by h cut. Now since j1 j2, I'm talking about this one and this one, j1 j2 m1 dash m2 dash can be written as j1 as the product of two different cats, as they are not affected by each other angular momenta, and also for j1 j2 m1 m2, j1 j2 m1 j1 j2 sorry j1 m1 j2 m2. On substituting every value in above equation, we end up with, and we can write them as say dj1 m1 dash m1, and this one as dj2 m1 dash m1. Okay, so the whole dj m dash m beta can be written as for both the summation m1 m2 and m1 dash m2 dash. So that's how we can write the rotation matrices for the addition of two angular momenta J1 and J2. Okay, thank you.